up my arm.
Okay.
All up my arm. In my f***ing armpit.
Jesus.
Bro f***ing tried to pull me out of the f***ing window.
The shocking incident occurred at approximately 2 a.m. at a Bikini Barista drive-thru coffee stand in Lakewood, Washington. The incident began when a man driving a gray vehicle pulled up to the stand and ordered a strawberry smoothie. The female employee chatted with him normally, just as she would with any other customer, for several minutes while preparing the drink. After receiving the signed receipt from the customer, she leaned out of the service window to hand him his order.
His arm and tried to pull me out of the window. Tried to pull me out of the window.
As soon as she got close enough, the man suddenly grabbed the employee's arm and violently pulled on it, attempting to drag her through the small service window. The terrified woman fought back, screamed for help, and desperately tried to pull her arm free. The suspect lost his grip, let go, and immediately sped away. The employee quickly locked the window and called 911.
Did you see which way he went?
That way, and then I went to call the cops.
Okay.
When police arrived, the victim was still visibly shaken and recounted what had happened. She explained that the suspect had paid with a credit card, and the receipt left at the scene clearly displayed the name Ezekiel Guerrero. Red marks and bruises were visible on the employee's wrist, arm, and underarm area, showing evidence of the forceful struggle against the window frame.
There.
All up my arm.
Okay.
All up my arm. In my f***ing armpit.
Jesus.
Bro f***ing tried to pull me out of the f***ing window.
She described the suspect as a white male wearing a blue bandana and a Los Angeles Dodgers jersey. 1 week later, police successfully tracked down and arrested the suspect, who was only 19 years old at the time. His real name matched the one printed on the receipt, Ezekiel Guerrero.